They're softer springs than this one. Exhaust spring, 2 intake springs right here. The exhaust springs were quite a bit more difficult. Working on this one here. Last 2 springs, intake. It's got 2 intake valves and 1 exhaust valve. Air-powered spring compressor makes life a lot easier. Always put one keeper in the top so gravity can help, and then you put your keeper on the bottom. Or you can always put a little bit of grease, on the keeper, and then you put your they'll stay put. But I'm doing it the gravity way. Last one. And of course I got both keepers right there. It's a C7 Acert cylinder head, 2004 to 2009 is when they made this cylinder head, which was the predecessor to the 1326, I think it was. It was a 3126, I'm sorry. 3126 is the predecessor to this head. Probably put them in school buses, dump trucks, stake trucks, things like that. So all the springs are on, keepers are on. You can see the cylinder head here. So it's all together. We're going to do a paint job on it. It's all set. I checked for straightness. The straightness looks really good. Come up with about 1/1000th of a gap under the straight edge, and that's the complete length all the way around. So she is flat, very flat. So anyway, check out my other video of me running the valve grinder and the seat grinder on this cylinder head. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. I have almost 200 videos.